Bank Nifty, okay, so as usual, there was a neckline. Let me get this right. Okay, I took my put position was on this day. Okay, and obviously it expired, month expiry. Today was the first day of the month, and I'm gonna check out the monthly chart also, guys. So let's go to the monthly chart. Engulfing bear last month, this month lows taken off, bearish divergence, first tick down last month, and this month the lows taken off. Okay, in the weekly chart here, it's below the weekly EMAs again. Okay, I mean, this line here is change in polarity. Let me just mark it again. Okay, let me show it to you here. Right, this line here. So what I am doing is trying to wait for a re-entry opportunity. Maybe, I don't know if it's gonna test these lines again, but anywhere here, half of this candle here, somewhere here in the intraday, if I get a re-entry opportunity, that'll be something that I would like to take. Okay, let me go back to hourly. Okay, so anything, I think I wish it opens up with a gap and like kind of tests EMAs and then exhausts the gap. I'll tell you which put to buy. According to our strategy, there's a dark cloud cover here. There's a bearish divergence here. If it goes below the EMA, this support, which acted as resistance here, fell back, could act as resistance here and fall back again. So I'll show you something. Engulfing bear, right? In the daily chart. Okay, an M-shaped stochastic. Okay, and you know that I was bearish on Bank Nifty, let's say I wanted to sell Bank Nifty. Okay, and I got a bearish divergence here in the stochastic in the intraday chart. Okay, and this day after a shooting star, this broke the EMA, so I was okay to trade on the short side. The gap was covered. I traded here. I took a put, okay, for 131 rupees.
But your engulfing bear was not confirmed.
Yes, but just think of it as I'm the expert, so I did it. I did it only trade. Okay. So I don't encourage you to do it, but it'll come with experience. Doesn't matter. Okay. So shooting star, spinning top. I wanted to trade on the breaking of the low. It broke the low. Big black candle, bearish divergence, broke the EMA, and I traded. Okay. So that particular day, which is a Thursday, when the expiry was there, 131 went to 178 as my last traded price. It was trailing highs in the 60-minute chart. You can see that. Okay, and it closed at 162. So the last 15-minute adjusting price, Bank Nifty fell, so it adjusted by $40, and my put closed at 162 from 178. Okay, so I really made only 30 points. Okay?
162.4.
There you go. So next, gap up. Okay, it went up. My put went to like 100 and then 90. So at 90, I think odd level 88 or something. It bounced till 92. Okay, I added to my positions 92. So when I added to my position at 92, and it went and tested this gap, half of this big white black candle, and rejected it, right?
Yeah,
so anyone who wanted to enter, agar stop loss cut bhi gaya, they could have entered here when it was falling. Okay, and believe me, this was the only thing we were waiting for. Okay, this is what happened. That 92, my average price became 111. Okay, from 131. Now that 111 went to 115, 70. So my 92 wala price was hovering around 92. It went to 115, 130, and suddenly 200, 250, 300, 400. Okay.